you can save this setting by pressing down on the vacuum strength for 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it says saved preset. So I've just gotten an error message there that says high vacuum unplug to reset. Okay, so we've just turned that back on again. We're going to switch it on. Press that to turn it on. Hold that together. There is a way that you can dry off the tubing if you've got condensation. And the way you do that is so it's showing me a vacuum timeout because there's no suction. And that is what will happen if you're not either holding it together or it being cupped to your nipples, because the pump can recognize the fact that it is not suctioning to anything. So the way to come out of this is just to press the on button again. If you press it one more time, you're on.